10 essential skills for a makeup artist to excel in their profession. Number 1. Color theory. A strong understanding of color theory enables you to create harmonious and flattering makeup looks that complement different skin tones and outfits. Number 2. Skin preparation. Skill in preparing the skin, including cleansing, moisturizing, and priming, is crucial for achieving a flawless and long-lasting makeup application. Number 3. Technique variety. Master a range of makeup techniques, from natural and subtle to bold and dramatic, allowing you to cater to various client preferences and occasions. Number 4. Face contouring and highlighting. Proficiency in contouring and highlighting enhances facial features, creating dimension and symmetry in your makeup looks. Number 5. Eyebrow shaping. The ability to shape and groom eyebrows according to face shape and style preferences is essential for framing the eyes and enhancing the overall look. Number 6. Eyeshadow blending. Precise eyeshadow blending skills are crucial for creating seamless and well-defined eye makeup looks. Number 7. Lip artistry. Skillfully applying lip products, lining lips, and creating various lip shapes adds a polished finish to makeup looks. Number 8. Texture mastery. Understanding how to work with different makeup textures, such as creams, powders, and liquids, ensures a balanced and cohesive result. Number 9. Client communication. Effective communication skills enable you to understand client preferences, offer recommendations, and create looks that align with their vision. And number 10. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to different skin types, ages, ethnicities, and makeup styles ensures you can meet diverse client needs and create versatile looks. By honing these skills, you'll be well equipped to offer exceptional makeup services and leave your clients feeling confident and beautiful. Thanks for watching.